Hello and welcome to a fast DataSuite overview. Please note that the DataSuite software has a very large feature set, which we can only show superficially in the next few minutes. You can find all details in our detailed manual. When the program is started, the home screen is always displayed. All essential information is displayed there in an overview. You can see at a glance which controls are connected, whether there were problems with the triggers or which Excel files are configured. Instead of the menu on the left side, you can also click directly on the individual areas of the home screen to get there. All actions of the DataSuite are event-based. This means that a certain event must occur in order to trigger an action. In the Trigger section you can configure events and also the actions to be executed then. We have already created some tasks for you as trigger templates, so that you can start directly. You want to generate Excel logs, PDF reports or HTML files? Maybe you want to store machine data in a database? You can find these and many more templates here. The DataSuite is compatible to all controllers with OPC-UA. Furthermore, you can directly connect Siemens S7 controllers of the 1500, 1200, 300 and 400 series without OPC-UA. In addition, we have an integrated simulator in our software that allows you to test all functions even without the controller connected. In the Excel Files menu item, you can configure the location and other settings of the files selected in the triggers. You can also select templates, activate the performance mode or make other file-related settings here. MS SQL, MySQL, MariaDB and Postgres databases are supported. The connection settings are diverse. Besides SMS, the DataSuite software can also send Threema, Telegram and normal emails. The necessary accounts are managed here. One of many special features of DataSuite is that it can not only generate Excel, PDF, HTML files with machine data. It can also provide other programs access to machine data via a REST API. Likewise, data can be retrieved from any API and written to a machine. Do you have a question or a problem? Simply send a support package directly to our team. We will help you quickly and without complications. This was a quick run-through of the DataSuite software. You can learn many more details on our website or in a free consultation with one of our employees. With our 30 days trial version you can try all the features yourself. All details on the website www.mb-datasuite.com.